Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing Swagbucks. Swagbucks, as you well know, is one of the most popular survey websites. It's verified that they actually do pay. So, I want to show you other ways of earning money on Swagbucks apart from taking survey. And even when you take survey, how you can earn more than an average person using Swagbucks. So, if you're excited to see the 10 best ways to earn money on Swagbucks, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the share button, and let's get started. Just as an introduction, what is Swagbucks? Swagbucks is a popular survey website where you get paid for taking survey, watching videos, and searching the web. Although it does not promise a big amount of money, you can earn points, and the point can be converted to cash, which can be paid through PayPal, or to points, which you can use to purchase items on Amazon, Tesco, M&S, and several other retail stores. On the average, I will say that 100 Swagbucks points is equivalent to £1 or $1 if you are staying in the States. Without further ado, let's jump right and see how you can sign up and start earning money on Swagbucks. So you can see, you just go to Google and type swagbucks.com and you can see the website showing here. Put cash back in your wallet. You join for free by typing your email address and confirming your password, which I will do now. So when you sign in, this is the home page, and you can see that there are several avenues that you can earn. The 5XB you are seeing here is for signing up. So whenever you sign up, you are given a welcome offer of 5XB. XBs stand for Swagbucks points. Just as a starter, the first way to earn money on Swagbucks is by taking survey. Just go to answer, and there are several surveys that will be available to you. Get free card for answering surveys and influencing brands. Take your first survey and earn 5 SB in about 3 minutes. So you click on go now, then you start answering the questions as I am showing on the screen. So you verify your information, and for doing that, you are rewarded with Swagbucks. Another way of earning money through Swagbucks is by making Swagbucks your default engine. So when you make Swagbucks your default search engine like Google, Bing, you are able to earn more money. If you are scared that it will be very slow, don't worry, it's actually handled by Yahoo, which means that it works very well like Google and Bing. So you see an example where I'm using it to search, and in the case of Godzilla versus Kong, and you can see that it's giving me search result that I could have seen whether if I'm on Google or if I'm on Bing. So you can see it also has images and videos, just like what you could have seen on other popular browsing platforms. So if you want to earn more money, you just make Swagbucks your default browser and you'll be earning more money. And again, it will be easy for you to get alert on offers. Now you can also earn money by shopping on Swagbucks. So we have Shop Home and grocery coupons. So if you go to Shop Home, you will discover that you can earn money while you shop. So you can see the feature store, your most popular stores that you know are here. When you shop on Axos and all the rest stores are here, you don't only get a cash back, but you also earn swag points. What I would advise is that don't just go and be shopping for the sake of shopping. If you already plan to buy an item, instead of just going to the store to buy an item or go to the website, you can go through Swagbucks so that I can claim some cash back and Swagbucks. Axos, for example, if I click on it, you tell me that shop through the Swagbucks cash back portal, I'll get £15. If I want to claim it, I click on claim £15 bonus, and you are seeing it here, shop now. So which it will take me to Swagbucks portal. See, this is the usual Axos. So by shopping here, I already have a £15 discount, which I would not have had if I did not go through Swagbucks. And also, I will also gain some points, which I can redeem later for money or for gift voucher. Now, another way of earning money on Swagbucks is by playing games, Discover Home, which you are seeing here. If you want to earn more money, you can choose to play games. So let's go to games. Now, how does it work? You get free card by playing these mobile games. If you can download the game, you can start earning. even as I'm talking. So there's different games that's here. Wow, this one have a lot of Swagbucks points. So there are different games you can install on your phone and start playing. And so for participating, you gain all these swag points. Once you install it and start playing, there are several of them. So those of us that love playing game, there's no need of just playing game now and be wasting your time, but play game and make money by going through Swagbucks. Another way you can use to earn money on Swagbucks and maximize your earning is by going to the next option, which is reward, swag stakes. So here you see all the swag stakes. These swag stakes are like competition. And when you've already earned your Swagbucks, you can go for this competition in order to earn more points. For example, like here, this is a 5,000 point giveaway, and you only have to enter with 10 or more swag points. So if you enter with 10 points, you can earn 5,000 points. It's a competition you can go in for in order to earn more. Since you're already using your points, be sure that you're very good with winning competition. If you're someone that's really very lucky with winning competition, please maximize this and you'll be good to earn more money using swag stakes. Another way that you can earn money is by clicking on the more options. You see, you can earn money by playing game, by downloading mobile apps, by having a swag button, and by referring a friend. So if you refer a friend through their affiliate links, you're likely to earn about 300 swag points. So if you want to maximize your earning on Swagbucks, don't just earn, refer your friends to the site and you'll be earning more. You don't just only earn 300 swag points within the first 30 days. You earn 10% of whatever your friend make. Wow, that's generous of them. See it here. Plus, you will also earn 10% of your friend's swag point earning for the life of the account. And this classic example of affiliate marketing. So here we have the swag button. You can earn money through the swag button. Never miss a cashback opportunity with the swag button. Get notified when you're on a site which says coupons and cashback offers. So when you add this swag button, it will become like an extension on your browser. So it will notify you of any offer that's available on Swagbucks. Now another way you can earn money is through mobile apps. So here, this is Swagbucks Mobile. You earn free gift card when you shop, answer survey, and watch videos on the go. So you can download their app on your phone and earn points for that. It also notifies you of games that you can play live. Swagbucks Watch, for watching videos, you earn some points when you watch video. Gift card is there also. Movie is there. Sportly exercise is there. Entertainment. By downloading the app, you'll be able to be notified of several things that's happening live in order for you to participate. Either exercise, watching video, or answering survey, and you make more money. So if you want to maximize your earning on Swagbucks, download it on your phone and start making money. Also, by downloading Swagbucks, there are some apps that they would notify you to download in order to earn more money. If you have the space and you're okay with it, download the apps, and for each download, you earn more points. We also have Get Play here. So welcome to Swagbucks Play. Swagbucks Play is simply just playing games online. Let me show you the available games here. You see, like the games we've seen before. So you earn points when you install, you earn points when you play the game. Don't only install to earn more points, play the game. So you can also earn money by using the daily bonus option, which you can see here. Complete and earn bonus. 4 items, 3 points, 6 items, 7 points. All these daily competition, you can do them daily and be earning money through Swagbucks. Either daily search, day of the day, daily discovery, attempt a gold survey, complete a gold survey. Activate your daily goal to start earning even more bonuses. Activate. So if you're interested, you click on activate and you'll be good to start earning more. Finally, this reward home. You can see the reward home is how you exchange your point for a gift card or for a PayPal cash. So you see featured gift card, M&S, £10. In order to get £10, you need to have accumulated 1,360 points. And here is MasterCard, £10. You need to have accumulated about 1,300 points. The SB stands for Swagbucks points. So there are more and more rewards on PayPal, Amazon, MasterCard that you can go in for in order to exchange your point with cash or for a gift voucher. Just earn the point. To convert it is not the problem. It's to earn the point that involve the work. So in summary, get paid to give your opinion, 5 points. If you sign up for Experian, which is a credit reporting agency, and I advise you that you should actually go for this. If you don't know your credit score, it's good for you to know your credit score and just gain 700 points for just signing up with them. I advise that you go for this really. Now add the swag button, 25 points. Make it your default search engine. Some people are like asking, oh, how do you make it a default search engine? See it here. Click on it and make it your default search engine. Another way you can earn money is by joining the recognition program. You can sign up and be the first to know. See, refer a friend and earn 10% for life. Install and log into Swagbucks through their app, and you are good to be gaining all these bonuses that you are seeing. So you see how different people are making money on Swagbucks. So there are also featured ways to earn by Amazon Prime. If you sign up for a free trial, earn 300 points. Even when you buy from Microsoft, you earn 3 points per £1 that you spend. This is very good if you're planning to get a laptop or an item from Microsoft. Instead of just spending your money and not getting anything, this is a good way of getting something. For every £1 you spend, you get 3 points, and the 3 points, you can use it to buy something else on Microsoft or Amazon. Several other opportunities of earning money. So if you wanted to go through survey, here is the survey. Take the survey, either 5-minute survey, 21-minute survey, or 11-minute survey. So just go through it and you'll be good to go. And these are the most popular way that people are earning money. Of course, these don't have a lot of points, so that's why a lot of people are playing games. They install the app and play the games in order to earn more, because these huge points to get from just one app. If you are not good with playing game but you want to shop, you can shop and earn here. See, Just Eat, Iceland, Very, AO, Exhaust. Don't just go and be buying things here. This is very useful if you already plan to buy something before now and you don't just want to spend your money without getting anything. So by going through this Swagbucks, you earn a commission, you earn cash back, you earn points. There are special offers. If you're planning to buy something from Nike, see a £250 gift card that you can get, and you even earn 1000 XB. Actually like this one. So let's see how to go about it. You're good to go. Follow the instruction. Do you shop online? Yes. How do you plan to use it? Give it to a friend. How many times do you shop online? Just keep answering the questions and you'll be good to earn the money. If you want to know more about them, you can read up on all these things that are available on the website and you'll be good to go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. There are more reviews of survey websites I have on my channel. Feel free to check them out, even the one that's playing now on the screen. Thank you. Bye.